5 Ways to Make Passive Income in 2022. In the current economy, it's more important than ever to have multiple sources of income. A great way to create passive income is to start a business that doesn't require a lot of time or money investment on your part. In this video, I'll show you some ideas for businesses where you can start with little upfront cost. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Rent your room. The sharing economy has taken off in a big way in the past few years, with companies like Uber and Airbnb becoming household names. These companies allow people to share their assets, such as cars and rooms, to generate income passively. Renting out a room in your house on Airbnb can be a great way to make some extra money. But the possibilities with short-term rentals are enormous. You can start off by renting a room on Airbnb, and if things work out as you expect, this can grow to multiple houses with a concept called house hacking. You can often charge more for a room on Airbnb than you would if you were to rent the room out to a long-term tenant. By renting out a room on Airbnb, you can also get to know new people and learn about new cultures. This is a type of small business which can grow organically with word of mouth. It is important to be clear about what is and is not included in the rent price before you start renting out your room on Airbnb. You should also make sure that you are familiar with the laws in your area regarding short-term rentals. Being an Airbnb host can be a lot of work, but it can also be a lot of fun. There are many benefits to renting out a room in your house. One of the biggest is that it can be a great way to generate passive income. This is money that comes in on a regular basis, without requiring much effort on your part. All you need to do is find a tenant and collect the rent each month. Another advantage of renting out a room is that it can help you cover your mortgage or other housing costs. If you're struggling to make ends meet, renting out a room can be a great way to bring in some extra cash each month. It also allows you to continue living in your own home, which can be important for those who want to stay close to family and friends. The amount of money you can make from renting out a room depends on a number of factors, including the size of the room, the location, and the time of year. However, you can expect to make around $100 per week on average. Finally, renting out a room can be a great way to meet new people and make connections. Rent your car. There are a few different ways that you can go about renting your car out for passive income. One way is to use a service like Turo, which allows people to rent out their cars for short periods of time. This can be a great way to make some extra money on the side, and it doesn't require much effort on your part. You just have to make sure that your car is clean and in good condition, and that you have all of the necessary paperwork ready to go. Another option is to rent out your car through a traditional rental agency. This can be a bit more work, but it can also be more lucrative. There are a few things you need to do in order to get started. First, you need to create an account with a rental company. Next, you need to provide the necessary documentation, such as proof of insurance and a driver's license. Finally, you need to set your rates and decide what type of vehicle you want to rent out. You can choose from a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and vans. Once you have everything set up, it's time to start renting your car out to others. You can either use the rental company's website or app to find renters, or you can post a listing yourself. If you have excess cash lying around, the next idea will be for you. Investing in rental property. When most people think about investing, they think about buying stocks or picking a mutual fund. While these may be viable options, there is another investment that can be just as lucrative: rental property. Investing in rental property can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, meaning you can earn money even when you're not working. All you need to get started is the willingness to learn about the market and how to manage your investment. Unlike stocks or mutual funds, rental properties are tangible assets that you can see and touch. This means they have the potential to appreciate in value over time, which can add to your bottom line. Rental properties also offer tax benefits that other investments do not, such as the ability to deduct mortgage interest and depreciation expenses from your taxable income. However, there are some things you need to know before investing in rental property. First, you need to research the market and find a good investment property. It's important to buy a property that will be in high demand and that will generate a good return on investment. Next, you need to be prepared for the added responsibilities of being a landlord. This includes dealing with repairs, finding tenants, and collecting rent. Finally, be sure to consult with a financial advisor before investing in rental property. They can help you determine how much money you can afford to spend on a property and whether or not this is the right investment for you. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to your audience, and earn a commission from the sale. It's an excellent way to make money online as an affiliate marketer. In this section, we'll discuss some of the basics of affiliate marketing, and we'll also give you some tips for getting started. First, let's talk about how to find products to promote. There are a number of different ways to do this. You can search for products on affiliate networks like Commission Junction or ClickBank, or you can search for specific merchants on websites like Amazon or Walmart.com. Once you find a product that you're interested in promoting, there are many different ways to promote products as an affiliate marketer. You can create a website, write blog posts, or share information on social media. You can also use paid advertising methods such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads. You'll need to create an advertisement or landing page that will convince visitors to buy the product. The most important thing is to find high-quality products that your audience will appreciate and be interested in buying. If you promote low-quality products, your audience will not trust you and you will not make any money. One advantage to affiliate marketing is that it's a great way to build your business. When you become an affiliate, you're essentially building a sales force for your business. This can be a great way to get your business in front of more people and to increase sales. Affiliate marketing is also a great way to build relationships with potential customers. When you become an affiliate, you're providing valuable information and resources to potential customers. This can help you build trust and credibility with those potential customers, which can lead to more sales in the future. Sell cash secured, put on stocks you love. When you are looking for a way to make some extra money, you may want to consider selling cash, secured put options, on stocks you love. This is a great way to generate passive income, and it can be a lot of fun, too. You may be able to earn up to 10% on your investment each year. Once you have set up your account and decided how much money you want to invest, it is time to start picking stocks. To get started, you will need to find a good broker who can help you get started. There are many brokers who offer this service, so it should be easy to find one that meets your needs. You will also need to decide how much money you want to invest. Most brokers require a minimum investment of $2,500. When you are bullish on a stock, but still want some downside protection, you can sell a cash-secured put. This strategy will allow you to collect premium while also having the ability to buy the stock at a discount if it falls below the strike price. To execute this trade, you need to find a willing buyer for your put option. You can then sell the option and receive the premium in your account. If the stock falls below the strike price, your put will be exercised and you will be required to buy the stock at that price. However, because you were able to collect a premium when selling the put, you will still have made a profit. Let's wrap up today's video. I wish you all good luck for the next big idea you get. Do stick around if you want to learn more about finance management and ideas that will get you started in exploring new sources of income. You'll find plenty of content about achieving financial independence here on this channel. Until then, subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, till next time.